Hey guys, so I know I haven't been posting for a while, but today I can make a mega parrot. I've been working on it. So let's copy and paste the name because I think it's really cute. Copy, and then save, and then let's teleport to gifts and go to cave because Dolphin's in the server and we're not on a call right now because I want y'all to listen to my voice instead of like just with music. So let's collect these gingerbread. I gave up on collecting because I couldn't really buy anything and it goes away. Like, I think it already went away, I'm not sure. But, so, Dolphin, where's Dolphin? Hi. That's not Dolphin. My friend. Where is she? My goodness, Dolphin, come on. You coming? Okay. Okay, that guy left. I want to wait. Okay, let's go. Okay, excuse me, Dolphin. Okay! I'm not ready. What the heck is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Okay! 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 Making it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Okay, let's see what it looks like in my inventory. My inventory's kind of plain because I've been doing stuff, but it's fine. Oh, this is a good offer, but I'm sorry. I don't really want to trade it right now. Good offer, but no thank you. Okay. Yay! Oh, it looks so cute. Very pretty. No, I'm not looking to trade it, sir. I just made it. Yay! I'm not looking to trade it. Sorry. I'm not looking to trade it. Sorry. Well, right now. Well, okay, so even though his pets are really good, let's get her to the family. I don't really speak Spanish, so I can't see what he's saying. But that was fun, so yeah, this is our mega parrot. Let's make the name Strawberry. Let's paste Strawberry. Okay, bye. Lol. Oops, I meant bye. Wait, no, bye. Okay, well, that was making a mega pet. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.